Welcome to HomeBuyer Certified Application Training Module. I'm Galen Crabtree, President and Founder of Intel Media Corporation. As we begin our walk through this tremendous resource, we want to highlight three significant points of interest about HomeBuyer Certified. One, HomeBuyer Certified addresses multiple problems for two industries, real estate and banking, which has a significant impact on the entire adult population as we're seeing now in the media. Two, these industries directly or indirectly impact the largest body of licensed professionals, real estate agents, loan officers, builders, financial advisors, and insurance agents. And you can probably name a few others. And three, HomeBuyer Certified creates a simple but powerful virtual assistant for both consumers and professionals, offering consumers much more control over their financing experience with very little effort, and offering professionals a way to improve customer service and increase word-of-mouth referrals. What I'd like to do at this point is quickly summarize the app's technical specifications.
Next, we will quickly summarize the app technology specifications. 1. Technology purpose of the app. HomeBuyer Certified is a web-based application utilized by consumers to quickly identify all of their personal document requirements when applying for a mortgage loan to buy a home, with any lender they wish to use. 2. Registration requirements for the app. Consumers can only create an account with a referral code given to them by a realtor, loan officer, home builder, financial planner, or insurance agent, or as a referral from a friend that received it from a professional in one of these fields. 3. The app operates on the iPhone, Droid, and Android platforms, as well as web-enabled tablet PCs, e-readers, and computers with Internet Explorer 7 or newer. The app does not operate well on BlackBerry phones and computers with Internet Explorer 6 or older.
And last, we'd like to discuss the app costs. The app costs are actually free to consumers for use. Now, professional accounts are a premium subscription fee, but with a 90-day free trial period before having to pay the annual subscription fee. Now, we'll begin the actual app usage training by introducing the simple steps to downloading the app to your phone.
We are going to begin our interaction with HomeBuyer Certified by accessing and downloading the actual app to your device. HomeBuyer Certified is a web-based application. So to download the app, all you have to do is open your internet browser and type in the web address www.homebuyercertified.com. For smartphones, once the page completes loading, you will need to use the Add to Home Screen or Bookmark to Home Screen feature as a means of creating a quick link icon like you see with your other applications. For computers, just add to your browser's favorite list. To begin using HomeBuyer Certified, once you have added it to your device, reopen your browser if the previous action took you away from the page, and you should still see the HomeBuyer Certified page disclaimer. Or you can use the new icon on your device to launch the app again. While at the disclaimer page, quickly review the short disclaimer for app rules and then click the Understand button. Now we'll move into the new account setup. Now that you've acknowledged the disclaimer of service, you can quickly set up your account. For first-time users, scroll until you see the Register Now button. This will launch the simple Create an Account page to enter the following information: your referral code, which comes from a referring professional. From there, you'll need to enter your name, email address, which the email address will serve as your account username in the future when you want to access it. And then select your type of account: consumer or one of the pro accounts, realtor, loan officer, or advisor. Keep in mind, advisor being any other business professional that would like to offer this resource to their clients as a value add for the relationship. Pros registering for the first time will have the extra step of entering their unique professional license number after choosing their respective account type. Then the final step for all account types is to enter a desired password to confirm and complete the registration process. This will immediately take you to the home page of the application itself. This completes the app registration process. Now that you have completed your account registration and accessed the app itself, you will notice the three simple interaction buttons of the app homepage: Account Info, New Questionnaire, and Previous Results. The first interaction you will need to do is to familiarize yourself with the Account Info page and update it with any remaining information missing. When you're ready, go ahead and click on the Account Info button. Starting at the top, you will notice your username followed by the all-important Invite a Friend feature. Keep in mind, you can change your email address at any time, but your username on this account will always be the email address you used to set up the account. Next, you will see the Invite a Friend feature. We will save some instruction regarding this feature to a later time in the tutorial. At this time, though, we would like to draw your attention to the referral code and professional contact information below the Invite a Friend button. This identifies the original pro source that referred you to HomeBuyerCertified. What's great about this feature is that should your referring pro need to change any portion of this information, it is automatically done once they update it in their pro app. So you will always have their most current information at your fingertips instead of hunting for a business card when referring them to a friend. Now moving on to the next section within your account information page, which is called Resources. First, you will notice there are two columns. The non-LO contact is the place for your selected realtor to be entered. If you received the referral code originally from a builder or wealth advisor, then their information would be in this column and available to change by using the Add Contact link. The LO contact column is specifically for loan officers only though, since they have regulatory requirements to be separated in this system. The rest of the personal information available to change is self-explanatory. Once any changes are made in your account information page, all you have to do is hit the Update Info button at the bottom to put them in place. Now remember, if you didn't change anything and you hit the button, it won't make any changes to those, such as your passwords. Remember, it is very important to keep all this information current so that your selected professionals can more effectively communicate back and forth with you during your transaction. Now to complete this training module for HomeBuyerCertified regarding your account info page, we will revisit the Invite a Friend feature. It is self-explanatory that when you want to refer HomeBuyerCertified as a helpful tool to a friend or a pro you wish to work with that may not already be a subscriber, just click on the button, type in their email address, and hit send. It's that easy. Now we are going to take a quick tour of the real reason you're using HomeBuyerCertified, the Document Needs questionnaire. When you click on the New Questionnaire button, it will launch the simple list of questions that will identify virtually all the documents you will need to provide any lender at the time of application and generate a checklist within the Previous Results feature for you to refer back to during your collection. Now we want to quickly highlight some important benefits that users are finding, which revolve around the consumer-friendly detail within the Loan Program section. Consumers have found that this section creates a lot more confidence in their type of loan selected, which sets the tone for their financing experience. Even if a person is still unsure after reading this section, they can definitely hold a confident conversation with a new loan officer they may have just met. The only technical note for using the questionnaire and getting an accurate decision, besides considering each question as you read, is that you must select one of the loan program options at the start. If you're unsure, you must choose the unsure option at a minimum. As for the rest of the questionnaire, you only select yes to those questions that apply to you. It's that simple. Once you get to the end of the last section of the questionnaire called Cash Assets, you will need to hit the Submit button to run the decision and get your results. At that time, the system will forward you directly to the Previous Results feature of the application, with the results posted by the date and time you took it. All you have to do from here is click the View link to see your explanatory type document checklist. Now, it is highly recommended that you collect all documents identified and mark them off with a yes as you create your personal information folder. Once you've completed the list and are ready for the next step, or you're at a point to need your pro's assistance regarding your documents, just hit the I have all documents button. A notification will immediately be sent to your designated pros. Now, last user nugget, you can actually run through the questionnaire as often as you like and get multiple results. Although you should be able to achieve your best results in the first run if you take the time to review each question. The average amount of time it takes a person to complete the questionnaire is less than 3 minutes. Something else to keep in mind is that each borrower on the loan should take the questionnaire, which includes anyone that is going to be a cosigner on the loan with you. Now this completes the interaction training module for HomeBuyerCertified. Now we will quickly finish by highlighting the valuable automatic communication features built into the system. Now that you've become familiar with HomeBuyerCertified, we want to quickly summarize the intelligent communication system built into the app, which helps the professionals conduct their business more efficiently. Interacting with this system as a consumer will send 3 critical notices to the selected pros. 1. When you officially register. 2. When you complete the questionnaire. And 3. when you indicate that you've gathered all your documents. Now the next two auto notices are designed to provide the best feedback on your pro's professionalism and quality of service that they and their company provided. 1. When you refer a friend, which is considered the only true measurement of service. And 2. When you change or replace a pro with another one in their same profession.